darkness is gone, a new day appears across the distant skies. I try to hold back my tears and fears of what today would be like, of all the problems that I have to face, of choices I need to make, on what's right or wrong, on whose side I'm on, decides my final destiny.
There are only two ways to travel, the way of life and that of death. But I've got Jesus right here beside me. He'll see me through until the end. In face of trials, troubles, tribulations, until the glorious day when He shall say to me on that great morning, come enter now into glory land.
Sunset will sit over the horizon, the end of days drawing near, and so are my days on earth growing close to the end of heartaches and fears, to a much better day, to a much better place, where all the things will come my way. The question that stands is on whose side I'm on, decides my final